With the secret information, 3,000 bottles of imported liquor was seized in the house of Pinku Nath and inside the Bolero pickup vehicle with the number plate AS11DC 6478 near his house at Kanchanpur Suknacharra village. However, the house owner Chini Nath and his son Pinku Nath ran away from the house before the police arrived.
The Kanchanpur OC Udam Debarma has got the secret information on Monday evening about the huge number of liquor imported from outside state in the house of liquor dealer named Pinku Nath from Kanchanpur Suknacharra village. With the initiative of the SDPO of Kanchanpur, Ayush Srivastava and Kanchanpur OC Udam Debarma, the Kanchanpur police raided in the house of Pinku Debnath immediately after they got the information. Over 3,000 bottles of imported alcohol was seized during the raid in the house of Pinku Nath and inside the Bolero pickup vehicle with the number plate AS11DC 6478 near his house at Kanchanpur Suknacharra village. However, the Kanchanpur police are now investigating from how and where did they imported this much liquor bottle and who else are in connection to the case.
इसे हमने सीज़ कर लिया। ये ओनर ये प्लेस है सुकनाचरा एक जगह है जहाँ पे हमने रेड मारी और ये पिंकू नाथ ओनर है। उनके घर में और उनकी व्हीकल के आगे वहाँ पे भी हमें फॉरेन बेस्ड लिकर मिली, तो अभी इसको हमने सीज़ कर लिया और अभी हमारे काउंट करने पे ये 2400 है और इस पर हम अब एक फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं और हम इन्वेस्टिगेट करके इसको पकड़ के इसके अगेंस्ट एक्शन लेंगे।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, चिनी, खोरांग।